What if you could ask your database questions in plain English and instantly receive insights and charts? No dashboards, no manual queries. In this video, I will show you an AI analytics engine I built using Spring AI that does exactly that. This system understands different types of analytical questions. It automatically generates SQL, queries the database, analyzes the results, and creates the appropriate visualization. There are no predefined dashboards here. The system dynamically generates insights based on the question. This is not just a front-end visualization. The entire analysis pipeline runs in the backend. The system converts the question into SQL, executes it on the database, and transforms the results into structured insights and chart data. This makes it possible to build fully AI-powered analytics systems. Here is how the system works internally. The user question is sent to Spring AI, which converts it into a SQL query. A SQL is validated to ensure safety. It is then executed on a database. The results are interpreted by the AI to generate meaningful insights. Finally, the system produces chart data that can be rendered directly in the UI. This creates a complete AI-powered analytics pipeline. This system is built using Java, Spring Boot, and Spring AI. If you would like to learn how to build this complete AI analytics engine step by step, I have created a full course where we implement this entire system from scratch. You will learn how to generate SQL using Spring AI, convert database results into insights, and automatically generate charts. The course covers everything needed to build production-ready AI analytics system using Spring Boot and Spring AI. You can find the course link in the description. AI is transforming how analytics systems work. Instead of static dashboards, we can now build intelligent systems that understand and answer questions directly. If you are interested in building systems like this using Spring AI, check out the course. Thanks for watching.